In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Studio tutorial, how to create subpages in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean dropdown in your site's navigation and place multiple subpages inside it, so visitors can find what they need quickly and easily. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. Once the editor loads, head to your site's header and click on the main navigation. You'll see controls for managing your menu. Choose Add Menu Item to expand your options, then select Dropdown. A dropdown is perfect for organizing related pages under one label, like Services, Products, or Resources. After selecting it, click Done to add the dropdown to your navigation. If you want, you can rename the label now or later. Clear names help visitors understand what's inside. Next, let's create the pages that will live under that dropdown. Click New Page to start adding a page. With the menu panel open, select the dropdown you just created so Wix knows where these pages should go. You'll see a highlighted area that indicates the parent selection. Click it so the new page is associated with the dropdown. Now, choose Blank Page to create a clean canvas. Blank pages are great because you can design them exactly the way you want without removing preset content. If you need more subpages, simply click Blank Page again, and keep adding as many as you plan to include. Repeat this as needed to build your full set, like separate pages for each service or product category. With your pages added, click the highlighted confirmations you see to finalize their placement under the dropdown. You should now see your new pages grouped beneath the dropdown in your menu list, which tells you they're nested correctly. This structure helps with both user experience and navigation clarity. When you're happy with the setup, click Publish to push your changes live. Publishing ensures your dropdown and all its subpages are available to site visitors. Finally, click View Site to open the live version and test the menu. Hover over the dropdown to confirm it opens smoothly and that each subpage loads as expected. If anything looks off, return to the editor to refine labels, order, or page content, then publish again. That's it! Your subpages are created, organized, and live inside a professional dropdown in Wix Studio. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a clean, easy-to-navigate site.